Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be just quickly opening this bag that I already opened. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It is from Amazon. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So I already opened this bag, but you know, wanted to make sure, because it was left at my neighbor's house, wanted to make sure that it was my package, what I was waiting for. So I picked up 3 of these 3-packs, total of 9 Coleman 6991-8-inch Power S cords. I used to buy these at Walmart. You used to be able to get them, you know, 1 cord at a time. They're 8 inches long. They're for plugs that are, you know, that physically plug in sideways, where the cable's sideways, or the cable's kind of out this way. They're used for transformer bricks for items like old stereos, stuff like that, where you have this brick, and you know, you put the brick on it on a power strip, and it takes up 2 or 3 plugs. So these allow you to stretch the plugs away from the power strip. It allows you to utilize the entirety of the power strip. So one of these 3-packs is $10 and some change. If you get 2 of them, it's $16 and change. If you get 3, it's $23 and like 10 cents. I bought 2 sets of 3. The other set is right there. And these, like I said, used to buy these in 1 cord at a time. They were like 80 cents at Walmart. You bought 1. I'd pick up an orange, a green, and a white, and it was like a couple bucks. But they're not, you can't find them at Walmart anymore for some reason. I'm not sure why. But it's just a little 3-pack. Says Woods at the top. These are 16.3 SPT, 2 13 amp, 125 volts, 1625 watts. These are best used, you know, if it shows you a demonstration. You have the power bricks on an extension cord, and you can't use this plug in the center, and it kind of stops you from using these 2 plugs. So what this allows you to do is it allows you to stretch these away from the plugs and then still have access to those other plugs. That's why I bought these. I use these all the time for that. And these are Coleman cords. They work well. They'll hold up to 13 amps. I never had any problems. And just as an example, I have all of these chargers on this power strip right here, and then all of these chargers on the front wall are on this power strip. And I needed to plug the power strip on this side of the wall, this one right here. I needed to plug it in over here because my cable's over here. So I used one of those extension cords for plugging it in right here. So if I kind of move the lights real quick. So it's right here, plugged into this little 3-port extension cord. It's just a 3-port splitter, but 13 amps. It held up just fine with 5 amp hour batteries and a 2 plugged into all these chargers. So this is a 6 amp charger. These are 2 4 amp chargers, and this is these 2 are 2 amp chargers, and it held up fine. That's 18 amps. Held up just fine to it. No big deal, no issues whatsoever. That's why I picked them up, just for trying to plug in small things like that. Usually leave my Milwaukee flashlights right here. But, you know, I also have them, a couple of them plugged into my TV stand over here for like the transformer plugs like I was talking about as an example. Turn the light on. This guy right here It's a little transformer and surge protector inside the plug. That's what I use them for. You can use them for whatever you need, but they're mainly used to move transformer plugs. So I ended up with 18 cords for 46 bucks, which is not bad, especially since I can't find them anywhere else. And if I ever need to order them again, which probably won't be for a while, I have them on my Amazon. They're good cords. I like them. I personally wanted to pick these up. Now that I have some more of these, you know, the black ones that I bought will be just used for blending into, you know, next to black extension cords, or, you know, black outlet strips or whatever. But, you know, just a quick video. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. Just a quick one. I will leave a link in the description or in a pinned comment for these if you guys would like to pick these up for the price that I picked them up for. They only had 2 sets of 3 packs, so I picked up those 2 sets that they had at the moment. I'm sure they'll restock them. It was shipped by Amazon. It was fulfilled by Amazon, so that was pretty nice. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Much appreciated. I do have an Ulsa Tools link in the top of the description below that will get you 10% off your order, ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order. So if you guys do use it, I do very much appreciate it. It does help me save money on Ulsa Tools when I purchase them for the channel, as well as, you know, purchase them because I need them. And all affiliate links are commission links. You guys don't get charged extra for using one of my links. What happens is you guys just click on the link. You do not have to purchase what is specifically attached to that link, but you, for an example, I could have a scan tool for with an Amazon link. If you click on that, you can search anything you like. You do not have to buy that scan tool for me to get a commission off of the purchase, which is very much appreciated if you guys do use them, because it does very much help. I did pick up 2 Milwaukee switch tanks for 400 bucks, and I didn't pay out of pocket for them. I got paid by YouTube for the last several months, several times, and I got paid by the affiliate links. So all of you guys watching and subscribing and liking on the videos and everything has helped make the channel what I originally wanted it to be, which was the channel pays for the tools, which is awesome. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys so much for doing that. If you guys use the affiliate links, I very much appreciate it. And if you guys watch the channel, I do very much appreciate it as well. Because you guys doing that actually makes the tools free for me. I don't have to purchase the tools out of my pocket. The YouTube channel's purchasing the tools, which is an awesome start. And it helps me bring more tools to the channel for you guys, because I technically don't have to purchase it. But I technically do purchase it, but the money is not coming out of my pocket. The money is going back into my businesses. The money is going, you know, to the household and everything, which is awesome. So keep a lookout for the Milwaukee switch tanks coming to the channel. We're definitely going to be doing a lot of videos on those. And I hope to see you guys on the next video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!